A second wave of the coronavirus pandemic could hit France in November, Professor Jean-François Delvriacy, who heads the scientific council that advises the French government on the pandemic, said on Wednesday. France has the seventh highest death toll from coronavirus at 30,549, according to the Johns Hopkins University tracker. France has reported nearly 2.86 lakh coronavirus cases so far. A government advisor told local media on Wednesday, as the city of Marseille tightened restrictions to fight the outbreak. Authorities in Marseille said late on Tuesday that bars and restaurants would have shorter opening times, and they also broadened mandatory mask wearing in the southern port city between August 26 and September 30. There are fears of a second wave in November, says Professor Jean-François Delvriacy, who heads the scientific council that advises the government on the pandemic, told France 2 Television on Wednesday. France has the seventh highest COVID-19 death toll in the world, and the government is monitoring the figures closely to see if fresh restrictions or lockdown are needed. Under the new measures, Marseille's bars and restaurants will have to close from between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. local time, having previously been able to stay open until normal closing time at midnight or 1 a.m. Mandatory mask wearing will now be compulsory outdoors in public spaces in all districts of the city, having previously only been compulsory in some areas. The French Health Ministry reported 3,304 new coronavirus infections on Tuesday, well below daily highs seen last week, though greater numbers of young adults are testing positive. The number of deaths in France from COVID-19 stands at 30,544 deaths, including 16 in the past 24 hours.